Hi there, it's Sally from Rickety Snippets here, and I have another set of tags to show you. And I'm quite excited about these ones because they're another set of fairy tags, but the theme this time is dragonflies. So we have all of these tickets and tags and little stamps, all with dragonflies on, or with these dragonfly fairies. So I started off by inking all of the bits to go inside the pockets or to decorate them. So I've done all the edges, those to one side. And then for your pockets, so the complete pocket comes, they're all on the same sheet when you cut them out. So you have 3 backs. And a matching front for each of them, and then a pocket to go on the front. There we go. So I'm going to start with this nice blue one in the middle. I love this deep blue. It's like, that pocket's kind of like, looks like velvet to me. So the first thing we need to do is to score along the edges of the pocket. So right up just to the edge of the image on the front, there's a little bit of brown area here, which is just really to hide the white edges when it's folded over. So right along that line between the two. And then just going to fold those tabs in. There we go. So before I stick it all together, I just want to put a bit of ink along this edge, and then also a little bit inside so that you don't see all that white. Okay, and then we're going to take the front bit, so we turn her over, and then put a little bit of glue onto this smaller piece right up to the edges. So you get a really good join around the edges. And then you want to stick those 2 pieces together. That's it. And then cut off any excess that you can see from the other side. And then at this stage you can give it an ink along the edge. It's quite dark anyway, so they don't need very much, but just get rid of that white edge. So these are double-sided, so we want it to look nice both sides. And then we're going to take our pocket. I'm going to fold in the bottom flap first, and then put the glue on there first. And again, go right up to the edge there. And then I'm going to fold these 2 in. just gives you a kind of more space, I think, in your pocket. Then just stick that on that bottom edge. And in theory, that pocket pattern should match up perfectly with the one underneath. There we go. And then just a little bit more ink. That's it. So that's one pocket done. So I'm going to make up the others in the same way. And there we are, we have our 3 pockets made up. So now we can decorate them and fill them. So there are lots of little pieces that could go on the front here and give a bit of a contrast to some of these real dark colours. Too big to go inside. Go on the front rather. That's that one. Been round in circles with these because there's a lot that I like to stick on the front, but make a decision. Very nice. These rounds. It's dark on that one. It's nice on that. Yeah, too many nice things to choose from to go on there, I think. Quite nice to have a contrasting one with a circle. these going up the side. That's quite nice. Okay, I think I have to decide. There we go. And then all there is to do is to put all the bits inside. So you can coordinate it and have put the tag that matches it in the same pocket, or of course you can move them around, try them out in different spaces. And then there's all these lovely contrasting bits of ephemera for you to play with. Of course, you can journal on the back of them. Lots of little bits, use them elsewhere. So pretty, look at that one. There we go. 3 pretty dragonfly fairy tag pockets. Hope you enjoy them. Catch you again soon. Bye.